Hi, let me pause this. What's up, guys? My name is Gloria, and today I am sick. So, I am just going to do a voiceover for this video. I show you how to make an amazing salsa. That's improper if I say a amazing salsa. It doesn't work that way. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video. Bye. First thing that we're going to do to start it off is we're going to chop a Roma tomato into thirds, and then we're going to chop it into thirds lengthwise and then in half. Then we're going to just dump a small can of roasted tomatoes, and then we're going to chop up half a red onion, about a handful of cilantro, half a lime, and then we're going to dice up one gigantic jalapeno. You want to make sure that the jalapeno is diced up really small because you don't want like a mouthful of it, because that's not pleasant. So just make sure you cut it really, really, really small. And then you want to add in your salt. I added about 2 teaspoons of salt. And yeah, that's awesome. Forgot to say, I diced up 2 Roma tomatoes and 1 can of just fire roasted, I don't know, jalapeno marinated tomatoes. Yeah. Then you want to mix it up and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you really did like it. And I hope you enjoy your salsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!